Hi guys, this is Sushmita, your crypto guide, and today I'll be talking about decentralized autonomous organization. In general, a decentralized autonomous organization or DAO is a system of hard-coded rules that define which actions a decentralized organization will take. In a decentralized organization, the functioning is controlled by computer encoded rules like smart contracts and are governed by a collective work of its contributors and community members. Unlike conventional companies, these are based on open source code and are operated entirely by their community. Therefore, the underlying structure and the working mechanism of a DAO are not based on any kind of hierarchical management. There is no single entity in the charge nor any directory board. As the name suggests, there is no centralization of power. While the idea of decentralized organization is not new, using smart contracts to automate some of their working mechanism and functionalities is what makes DAO a useful and an interesting concept. Such an innovative structure allows for a whole new model of business where various types of activities can be executed in a completely decentralized and automated manner. Interestingly, DAO may also refer specifically to an organization which was conceptualized on the Ethereum blockchain back in 2016. So this was all about decentralized autonomous organization. To know more about such technical terms, do write in our comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.